to my channel and welcome to this video. I'm in my new house. Look at this lighting. I'm in the bathroom with the blinds closed. The lighting is beautiful. I look a mess. I've been moving for days. My hair is poofy because I've run my fingers through it way too much. And I haven't put makeup on. I think since I've been home, I have not put makeup on. I'm officially moved in. I just have a lot of unpacking to do. You're kind of seeing sneak peeks here and there. The puppies have their own space. There are their cages. It's really messy right now. I've got to finish cleaning and getting everything organized. I just bought this gate, so this is really amazing. It's really tall, so they can't jump over it. I'm planning to have Hazelnut, which is my rabbit. I'm planning to have her free roaming, but I have to keep them separated because they're two big dogs and she's one little bunny, and I really don't want anything happening to them. They will be separated, so don't worry about that. Every room has amazing lighting. There's so many windows and I love it. I love it so much. Right now I have a package I need to open. You're hanging out on a pillow right now. I received this package from, oh gosh, I'm just holding up a giant, sorry. I received this package from Teddy Blake. They are a purse company. They focus on selling very nice quality purses at a cheaper price than most really expensive designer purses. I just wanted to unbox it with all of you so you can see it straight out of the box. And then later on, I'm gonna make a what's in my purse video. I'm coming home. Packaging is nice. We'll stay up till morning. Designer handbags made in Italy, luxury leather. For months that we've missed, 'cause the cold air is calling. Got bubble wrap to keep it protected. The moment that I was convinced. And it's also in the protective bag to keep it clean. I already love the color. 'Cause your lips are calling in my heart. Isn't it so pretty? So I love this beige color. I feel like it can go with absolutely every outfit. And open it up. There's a strap in there if you want to have it over your shoulder. If you want to check out Teddy Blake, I will link my link down below, and I have a discount code for all of you. You can get $20 off of the non-sale items. I'll put it on the screen right here. They're having a huge 4th of July sale, so if you're watching this in time, you can click on my link and go find you something that's really cheap on sale and get you a nice purse. Now it's time to unpack. So here's my plan for my coffee area. This counter is going to be sanded down and put like a gloss over it so it doesn't get messed up. I have coffee mugs, which I'm going to get hooks to hang here and be able to hang my coffee cups above. And I found these little pots at a garage sale for literally 25 cents each. I'm gonna put coffee, sugar, little tea bags in this one, so I can have tea too. Because I don't drink tea often, but I love tea every once in a while. Left my mind. Does it only control you? Let me in, I'll help you out. I won't lose you this time. You think you're too far, but I'm where you are, you know. I said I won't leave your side. They left you bare, but I'm begging you still in my. So I've honestly been unpacking for hours. You can hear Blue's in there, he wants to come in. But I've been unpacking not just for hours, but for days. I am exhausted, so I'm going to call it a day. I'm going to relax for the rest of the night, and I'm starving. It is 7 o'clock. I am going to end the video here just because I have so much to do and I really want to get this out for all of you, so I'm going to spend the night editing this video. This video may be a little bit shorter than my typical vlogs, like my Hey Shay days. Once I get everything unpacked and things are kind of normal and clean, I will do a house tour. So get excited for that. It'll be very soon, so I won't keep y'all waiting for too long. And I'm also going to do a whole house speed clean in the tiny house because I know y'all love speed cleans. So I will be doing that, and a lot of makeovers are coming, so be looking out for makeovers. I'm just so excited to be on this adventure with all of you, and I'm just so thankful. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you all soon. Bye!
Oh baby, now let me warm you up. Baby, please let me love you much. Come on with me, baby.